How to block third-party cookies on Android. Google Chrome app. Hey everyone, welcome to How to Browser YouTube channel. In this video, I'll walk you through the entire process step by step. So please follow along with me and watch this video till the very end because you don't want to miss any part of this video. Now without further ado, let's jump right into the video. So let's head over to Google Chrome. Here on the main page, what you want to do is to tap on the straight lines right here, please. Now what you want to do is to click on settings. As you can see here, we have settings, and here in settings, just scroll down until you see site settings. Right here we have site settings. So now just click on site settings, and now scroll a little bit down. Well, actually you don't have to, because right in the top we have cookies. So please tap on cookies, and here we have, instead of allow cookies, sites will work normally. Now just select block third-party cookies. That's what you want to do. And that's how you block third-party cookies on Android on Google Chrome app. I hope this video helped you. If it did, drop a like and subscribe for more how-to videos. Thank you for watching this video.